Linlex? Kamusta? How are you, Linlex? Ha? Good morning, Linlex. Anong kukunin mo yan, Linlex? Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Linlex. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Linlex. Ha? Oh. Good morning. Kumain ka na rin, Lex? Ha? You ate your food? Linlex? Linlex? Good morning. Hi. Yeah. Baby pa to si Linlex. Ay. Baby pa yan. Baby, chicken. Is chicks pa yan. Chicks. Oh, baby pa yan. Baby pa yan si Linlex. Diba? No, smile, smile, Linlex. Smile, smile. Smile, smile, son. Hoy. Hello. Yan, si Linlex. Good morning, everyone. Yan, tingnan mo si Linlex. Look at his legs. So, and then, so look at this one. Is Linlex. Ang eyes. So, mata sa daga, mata sa daga. Oh, so mata sa daga, so mata sa daga. Oh, Linlex. Yeah, say hi. Hello, hi. Hi all. Karosita, Ignar. Oh, cleaning. Nagki-clean. Kinakaga, ano yung nilinisan mo, ha? It's a bird. It's a big bird. Chicken! My chicken. Bye-bye, Linlex. Magbabay ka na. Goodbye. Daw say, Favil. Hi, hi. Bye-bye. See you again. Thank you, everyone. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you. That's Linlex. My little baby chicken. It's my little baby chicken. Bye-bye, everyone. And see you. Thank you, everyone.